everyone. Welcome to Garden Decor Designs, where we transform ordinary outdoor spaces into extraordinary havens. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're stepping outside to talk about one of the most exciting trends in outdoor living, the modern outdoor kitchen garden. Forget the old, standalone barbecue. We're talking about a seamless extension of your home, a true culinary and social hub right in your backyard. So, what exactly is a modern outdoor kitchen garden? It's a beautifully integrated space that combines the functionality of an indoor kitchen with the serenity of a garden. It's not just a place to cook. It's a destination for relaxation, entertainment, and enjoying the great outdoors. The beauty of a modern outdoor kitchen is its blend of sleek design, durable materials, and thoughtful landscaping. It's about creating a space that is not only highly functional, but also a true visual masterpiece. It often features clean lines, a minimalist color palette, and a harmonious balance of natural and man-made elements. Now, let's talk about the incredible benefits of bringing this concept to life in your own home. The benefits of having a modern outdoor kitchen garden are truly endless. First and foremost, it significantly expands your living and entertaining space. By moving the kitchen outdoors, you create a new area for hosting parties, family dinners, and casual gatherings. This is particularly beneficial for those who love to entertain, as it prevents guests from crowding your indoor kitchen. It also adds significant value to your property. A well-designed outdoor kitchen is a highly desirable feature that can make your home stand out on the market. Beyond the practical advantages, an outdoor kitchen encourages a healthier, more active lifestyle. You're more likely to spend time outdoors, breathing in fresh air and soaking up some sun while you cook. It also offers a unique dining experience, allowing you to enjoy your meals surrounded by nature. Imagine a dinner party where the aroma of grilled food mingles with the scent of blooming flowers. It's a sensory experience that an indoor kitchen simply can't match. An outdoor kitchen also makes summer cooking much more pleasant, keeping the heat and smoke outside where they belong. So, how do you decorate your modern outdoor kitchen garden to make it look spectacular? It all comes down to a few key principles. Start by choosing a cohesive color palette. Modern design often favors a mix of neutrals like whites, grays, and blacks, accented with natural wood tones or metal finishes. This creates a clean and sophisticated look. Next, focus on lighting. Strategically place string lights, spotlights on a feature wall, or under-cabinet LED strips can completely transform the space after dark, making it feel cozy and inviting. Incorporate plants and greenery to soften the hard lines of the kitchen. Potted herbs, hanging planters, or even a small vertical garden can add life, color, and a fresh culinary element to the space. Don't forget comfortable seating and stylish accessories like outdoor rugs, pillows, and decorative serving ware. These small details are what truly make the space feel personalized and complete. Finally, ensure all your materials are durable and weather-resistant, as this is a space that will be exposed to the elements year-round. Now for the part you've been waiting for. Let's dive into the essential items for a top-tier modern outdoor kitchen garden. Here are some items for a modern outdoor kitchen garden. First, built-in grill or barbecue. This is the centerpiece of your outdoor kitchen. A high-quality built-in grill offers a seamless, professional look and superior cooking performance. Look for stainless steel models with multiple burners and side features. Second, pizza oven. An incredible addition for a truly gourmet outdoor experience. Whether wood-fired or gas, a pizza oven adds a fun, interactive element to your gatherings and allows you to expand your culinary repertoire beyond just grilling. Third, outdoor refrigerator. A mini fridge or a full-sized outdoor-rated refrigerator is a game-changer. It keeps drinks, condiments, and ingredients chilled and easily accessible, saving you countless trips back and forth to your indoor kitchen. Fourth, sink and faucet. A dedicated outdoor sink makes food prep and cleanup infinitely easier. You can wash vegetables, clean up spills, and rinse your hands without ever needing to go inside. Fifth, ample counter space. Crucial for both food preparation and serving. Look for durable, easy-to-clean materials like concrete, granite, or stainless steel. Sixth, stylish and durable cabinetry. Outdoor cabinetry protects your utensils, cookware, and other items from the elements. Opt for weather-resistant materials like marine-grade polymer or treated wood. 7th, weather-resistant seating. Bar stools or a dining set made from materials like teak, aluminum, or all-weather wicker will ensure your guests can dine in comfort and style. 8th, pergola or awning. This provides essential shade and protection from sun or rain, allowing you to use your outdoor kitchen in all types of weather. 9th, ambient lighting. As mentioned before, good lighting is a must. Think string lights, pendant lights, or strategically placed LED strips to create a magical atmosphere at night. 10th, vertical herb garden. A space-saving and highly functional feature. A vertical garden adds a fresh, green element to your kitchen and provides you with a continuous supply of fresh herbs for your cooking. And now, let's get inspired by some stunning examples. Here are our collection of the top 10 best modern outdoor kitchen garden ideas that you can use for your next project. 1. The urban balcony kitchen. This design proves you don't need a huge backyard to create a stylish outdoor kitchen. It's perfect for city dwellers with a balcony or small patio, featuring sleek, minimalist cabinetry and a built-in grill. The dark wood and stone elements create a sophisticated, yet warm feel, making it an ideal space for intimate outdoor dining, while still being protected from the elements. 2. The rooftop oasis. This stunning rooftop deck combines a modern outdoor kitchen with a cozy fire feature, all under a canopy of ambient string lights. The warm wood tones of the deck and privacy wall create a comfortable, enclosed feel, while the string lights add a magical touch. The large, communal dining table invites guests to linger and enjoy the evening, making it the ultimate entertaining space. 3. The rustic modern L-shape. Here we see a beautiful blend of rustic charm and modern functionality. The dark wood cabinetry, brick wall backdrop, and stone countertops create a grounded, natural feel. This L-shaped layout offers ample counter space and smart storage for a built-in grill and even a section for firewood, making it as practical as it is beautiful. 4. The cottage-style dream. This kitchen feels both modern and homey, with its bright white concrete base and natural wood slat fence. The open shelving and built-in wood storage add a touch of rustic appeal, while the sleek grill and pizza oven provide all the modern cooking tools you need. The hanging herb planters on the fence are a clever, space-saving way to add greenery and function. 5. The Mediterranean-inspired patio. This beautiful space showcases a perfect blend of whitewashed brick, natural wood, and light-colored pavers. The integrated fireplace and built-in benches create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. The pergola provides shade, while the ample counter space and a built-in grill make it a highly functional outdoor kitchen for any family gathering. 6. The stately stone and steel. This design is all about strength and style. A black steel pergola with a slatted roof provides a striking visual frame for a kitchen built from textured stone and black countertops. The layout includes a built-in grill, a separate cooking station, and a convenient pass-through bar, creating an elegant and highly functional space perfect for large-scale entertaining. 7. The minimalist deck kitchen. This design is the epitome of clean, modern lines. A stark white and gray island houses a built-in grill and provides a sleek bar area with minimalist stools. The dark wood decking and lush greenery surrounding the space create a beautiful contrast, proving that a simple, elegant design can make a big impact. 8. The industrial chic corner. This outdoor kitchen utilizes a striking combination of white and dark gray cabinetry, creating a bold, industrial aesthetic. The built-in fireplace and open shelving for firewood not only provide warmth but also double as a stunning design feature. The red grill adds a pop of color, while the sleek faucet and countertop provide a highly functional workstation. 9. The grand marble oasis. For a truly luxurious feel, nothing beats a kitchen built from gorgeous marble. This expansive design features a large central island with bar seating, a built-in grill, and a sink, all in the same stunning material. The covered patio and ceiling fan make this a comfortable space for entertaining year-round, regardless of the weather. 10. The long and lean country kitchen. This design takes a more rustic approach, with a long linear layout perfect for a large yard. The concrete counter runs the length of the space, supported by built-in storage for firewood and crates. The standout feature is a large, egg-shaped smoker, making this a true chef's paradise. The simple, natural materials and open-air design create a relaxed and inviting atmosphere. Creating a modern outdoor kitchen garden is about more than just adding a grill. It's about designing a space that reflects your lifestyle, enhances your home, and brings people together. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a weekend griller, these ideas prove that a stylish and functional outdoor kitchen is within your reach. Remember to plan for your specific needs, choose materials that can withstand the elements, and don't be afraid to add personal touches. Your perfect backyard oasis is just a design away. We hope this video has sparked your imagination and given you the inspiration you need to start your own outdoor kitchen project. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Garden Decor Designs and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. Let us know in the comments which of these ideas was your favorite and what your dream outdoor kitchen looks like. Happy decorating!